The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Khan, had informed media persons on Thursday that the Executive Committee of the Council had expressed its disagreement on some of the recommendations made by the Parliamentary Standing Committee or PSC on the amendment to the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. While informing members of the press on the letter from the KHADC to the central government and Home Ministry, he also stated that the nomination of unrepresented tribes would create a language barrier, as members would not be able to communicate in Khasi if such representation takes place within the council. He also opposed the establishment of village and municipal councils and suggested that the constitution should in fact recognize the existing traditional institutions in the state.
Ini ka recommendation ka komiti ka lapha sa ministry bat sa parliament ko pilatip ba kani ka komiti ka lawan hapo silong ASEAN lawan bani kendu ingi di stakeholder barok hat kendu government kendu seng bahalang kendu dorbar iki create no sensar pan iki views lani iki jing ajimut hawede bagani ka amendment with a subsidiary dan rain dah hadin bang lai ipat ya ka report kabalabu haka website jong kapalikan oi ki kampa kopi sini dan rengi susi banyu iba hidon katu kan ni kimat ki badon kam ki bakani ke komiti kam semua sengap ya jing ajing mut jong ni tani jong kasoka kena tak daun nak liang jong ka executive committee ke berjab jong kani ke pemerintah ngila pa ya kajing persyak ke jongi halo kani ke recommendation sya ka sorkar kang ba ka tenat jong ka district council affair department ba kumjuru sya ka home ministry namba ka home ministry bangi persyak halo kat tu kat ni telikimat pi bangim sngau ya ha ya kajing ajimut jok ni ke komiti kamat ka baningkong kadai halor ka nomination of unrepresented tribe ngi hakabe dei bat kini ki nominate MDC ka komiti kamsim la snap ya kajing ajimut jongi bangi ong ba kani ka kentin unrepresented tribe kam dei ban mi hakani ka nominated nominate MDC iban ai bet nominate MDC kemun kasyong haka gubernur banjit nanu banlong ki nominate member jong ki council dan rengi penpau ke jing fungsi ke jing persyak nakaliang ke jongi ba kila penmi ya kani ke kentien kaban wanra ke jing kulmar jimut kan wanra ke ke bamsung tanat ha khamtam ha ke jing ede bakar kompeniat ki dorbar ki jongi hapo council kumba pitip ka dorbar ka jongi ka bangilong hang ni hapo council dia keren dak tin na jong dia keren bet dak tin kasi tikan jayu yangi lada ki aila ki wepat ki bomde mo kita ki breu jongi la jong ki ong no ki khasi bet bakin long ki nominate MDC kamu ngihap ani keren aku ikhtiam rengi yang baik halo kan urim ba ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kadai jong Khasi dau Khasi naga bentau Khasi